Good morning, guys. Here's an update of the vegetables in my garden. Dinosaur kale, garlic, the Chinese or Napa cabbage, onions. The ones at the back are the broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, cauliflower, radishes, kale. I have a video of this when I planted them. These are turnips, and I think they were 5 or 6, and they were dying. The color was yellow. The tiny